Well, we've been in a very cold pocket of air for the last few days. High temperatures in the 40s back on Saturday, 30s yesterday and on Sunday. And now we're starting to dig our way out of that cold. The huge blob of cool Arctic air, it's dominating the eastern U.S. That's shifting to the east. It's allowing more mild air to work its way in. So as we go through here, we're going to be warming up pretty significantly. And that's basically fueled by a dry week with plenty of sunshine. The sun still does a number on our temperatures. It helps to warm things up. And breezy conditions, but the winds are in our favor. They're westerly today and tomorrow, southerly for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So that will also help the temperatures to go up. And every single high temperature above normal. We have normal highs in the upper 40s for today. Those slip down to the mid 40s over the next week. And so the 50s, I mean, good enough for about 3 to 5-ish degrees above normal. We'll get into the 60s, so that's even warmer, 10 plus degrees above normal, but it's that Saturday, 70 degrees. That puts us at 23 degrees above normal. And even as we come on down, those are still above the long-term averages. So just get used to that warmth, I suppose. We have temperatures that will be dropping over the weekend because of the strong cold front. Yesterday had rain chances over the weekend. I've taken those out. Looks a little bit drier now, partly cloudy skies. But you can see how the winds impact that. South wind Saturday, northwest wind on Sunday. That's why we're down to the 50s. But I want to talk about that 70 real quick. If that holds, would at least tie the record high temperature in Waterloo, which is 70 back in 1950. And we'll be within about 2 or 3 degrees for Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. Records going back to about 1950 or 1990 there in Dubuque's case. So it's just going to be really warm considering our normal high temperature is in the 40s. Enjoy it because we probably won't have too many chances to get into the 70s, let alone the 60s going forward. But you look at today, it's going to be clear sky here for the rest of the day and into tonight. And then tomorrow should be mostly sunny with just a few passing high clouds. So enjoy the sunshine to go along with the milder temperatures too. Should be the 40s in our northeastern counties, low 50s elsewhere with the gusts to 30 miles per hour from the west. And tonight, low 30s, near freezing for overnight lows. The normal low is 29. Those lows are climbing as well. And then tomorrow, low to mid 50s as the winds remain a little bit breezy from the west, gusting to 25. Shot at 60 there on Thursday, and certainly should be the case on Friday with a high of 64. But look at those lows too, into the 50s for Friday night. Don't need a jacket there. And then we'll come down throughout the weekend. By Monday next week, looks like highs are in the upper 40s with lows back to near freezing. That's our next real chance for rain, and we'll probably see some cooler air dominating at least for the first half of next week.